I mean, I know you do, but just in case you didn't, here. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHon. Today's video is brought to you by RPGHair. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now, if I told you this was my hair, would you believe me? Would you? You wouldn't tell me it wasn't to my face. So let's go ahead and be delusional together. Now, before I get into this easy breezy, beginner friendly, glueless, okay, textured wig install, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from RPGHair. All the specs for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is their 9x6 Invisible HD Lace Kinky Straight unit. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, removable combs, an elastic band, C-shaped ear tabs, and texture. So as you saw in the wig prep, I did go in and straighten my wig out. I use heat protectant and high heat to get the wig like this. I also trimmed some of my ends to give a little bit of layer in the front and a little bit of evenness around the back, just to make it look a little bit more natural for me. I will be rocking this wig glueless, but before I put this on my head, I need to tint my lace. It's a little ashy. Go ahead and get my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Milk Chocolate, and I'm gonna dust it all around this hairline, okay? Because she was white on me. If it gets it on the hair, just use some makeup wipes and get that right on off. All right, let me take off the side combs. I love the removable combs for this unit. I'll slide this back a little bit. Make sure my ear tabs are where they need to be. Hairline looks good. Now it came all pushed back like this, but to make mine natural for me, I'm just gonna brush these down a little bit. I don't like my hairline to be all pushed back. I bring some of these hairs down. I say, where's my claw clip? I know I got one. The hair does have a slight chemical smell to it, but I did not go in and wash this wig. All right, so I'm gonna cut across the front. I don't want that much hair down, so let me bring some of that back. Just shorten it a bit, that's all. I'm not cutting them super short. I just want the wispy look around my face. I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse around the hairline just to mold the hairs down. They sent me a brush and a band. Oh, and a comb. Hello. Make it wispy. Bring that down. Just molding the hairline in the front. Make sure it's how I want it. All right, let me take my band here. Wrap this down across the front. Wrap it down, wrap it down. Take my clip out. Oh, let me do my makeup. YouTube magic. I'm gonna give my ends a little bump, bump, bump. Use my T3. Just a little bumping. I bump, bump, bump it up. Make sure this is how I want it. It's a little long right here. Let me just trim this one. Just bump this back a little bit, like so. So I can get my hairline right. I mean, I could just take off my glasses. Okay, not too shabby. Bring these down right back over here. Brush back what I don't need. Do I need any contour? Use a little bit of my cream contour, put some on a brush, tap it on some paper, and go around the hairline. I'm gonna use a little bit of my Tresemme Extra Hold Hairspray right in the front. Just keep these flyaways back. Same thing over here. Let me just bump it a little bit more. I kind of want a hard bump. I know it's gonna fall anyway. I can do a little bit of powder in my parting space. Use my Black Radiance powder one more again. And now I think we are done too. y'all, so here's the final look. I kept it real simple and cute, and I must say this wig reacted really nicely to simplicity. If you have not learned so already, especially for me, because I don't always do this, okay? Press your wig. Now that I see the results, I took this wig to the salon. You hear me? Look at the movement. Y'all see the movement? Huh? I mean, I know you do, but just in case you didn't, here. This is how my hairline is looking, nothing crazy. She is still glueless. Let me show you. Hold up. They sent your girl. Wait a minute. Oh, I was about to snitch. Like, y'all working with the same companies? Still glueless all the way around my hairline. All the way around. I did get a little bit of shedding, no tangling. I didn't wash my wig, but I do suggest you wash yours, okay? But that's all I got, y'all. Y'all see I got a little tan? Your girl went to Texas and it was blazing out that joint. I thought Georgia was bad, but that Texas humidity is, ooh, trifling. So your girl had a little tan because she was outside. Yeah, I'm about to go outside again because, you know, the neighbors got to see me. Shout out one more time to RPGHair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below. So if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.